Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pokmon token. Pokmon is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token is up 33.6% right now. It's been in and out of the top gainer section basically all week. They just got a brand new central exchange listing. This is definitely meme coin season. And now we have a Pokemon token meme doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Pokmon token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinMarketCap. It says they have 1,095 holders, 10,575 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now, like I said, this token's been in and out of the top gainer section. Even right now, they are up 33.57%. There is a big warning, though, at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. Please exercise caution while trading and always do your own research. So when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token is going to be a scam. But it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract, disable selling, change the fees, etc. So make sure you thoroughly investigate this token before purchasing. You don't want to get rugged, don't want to get scammed. Those warnings are there for a reason. All right, so besides that, fully diluted market cap for this project is $812,000. Market cap is $795,000, and 24-hour trading volume is $269,000, and even that is up 14% today. So there's 2 different ways to get this token. Actually, there's at least 3 different ways to get this token. First way would be fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Pokmon token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that here. And there's going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, it looks like it's also available on OpenOcean, which I believe is another decentralized exchange. I've never used it, though, and it says it is paired with Pepe. So you exchange your Pepe for the Pokmon token on OpenOcean. So that, yeah, I've never used it before. The trading volume on there is very low, and the confidence is very low compared to Uniswap. So, I mean, Uniswap would be a better bet, I'm sure. But if you want to use OpenOcean, it is available on there. And according to their Twitter, they just got a brand new central exchange listing. It says this is their primary central exchange listing. And this token will be available on Bitmart, BITMART. And it says it will be available, trading opens in 2 days on May 19th. So deposits actually open today, May 17th, and then trading opens May 19th, 2 p.m. UTC time on Bitmart. So you'll be able to get it on there. And it is paired with USDT on Bitmart. So you could just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, and fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Pokmon, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token from Bitmart. So they just got listed on CoinMarketCap recently, I believe, too, maybe about a week or so ago. So this is just a fairly new token in general. And then it's also listed on Flu's Trade. So there's tons of ways to get this token, at least 4 different ways to get this token. And yeah, and they just passed 1,000 holders. Now their Telegram, if you want to find it, is at Pokmon_ETH. They have 623 subscribers on there. Their Twitter, 72 tweets so far, is at PokmonETH. And they have 1,065 followers on there. Their official webpage, Pokmon.org. So on there you can find a DEX tools chart, link to buy on Uniswap. It says a meme coin with style. Decentralized and experimental. It's been a while on the Ethereum chain. It's making waves. Honoring the pocket monsters we all crave, Pokmon, our token, is one of a kind. Based on memes, it's worth a solid bind. So they're doing a little poem there at the beginning. So it says, our token is just a 2% tax on buys and sells. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you may have to set your slippage around 2%. And the 2% goes to the liquidity. It says to ensure investors' security and prosperity. And it says, okay, so maybe there's more than 2% taxes. This is very strange here, the way they have this worded. They're trying to make a poem, but the poem doesn't even make sense. So they're saying our token is just 2% tax on buys and sells, but then they say 2% will support liquidity and 2% will go towards treasury. So maybe they mean 2% on the buy goes to LP and 2% on the treasury, or it's a total of 4% tax. They need to be more clear. That's a pretty dumb way to make a poem, but okay. I'm guessing it's split up 1 and 1, like 2, yeah. So anyways, taxes are split up LP and treasury. So then, yeah, they talk about getting a central exchange listing. They go over how to buy. They got the Pokenomics on here, which is like tokenomics. So they're going to have more central exchange listings in the future. They're all about community. Tokenomics are real straightforward. 90% goes to Uniswap, 5% central exchange listings, 5% partnerships. They're partners with MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance, Associated Press, and Flu's Trade. And yeah, they should have had the tokenomics more clear about the taxes. They didn't even put taxes in their tokenomics section. So that's annoying, but you can look at, so they gave that big warning there on CoinMarketCap, but you can also look at their DEX tools chart. They have an 85 out of 99 DEX tools chart score. And it says here, oh yeah, buy tax 2%, sell tax 2%. So it's basically, yeah, it's 2% of that is LP, 2% of that is treasury. So according to DEX tools, the problems here is that tax is modifiable. They can blacklist users. Unlimited amount of trades and anti-whale is modifiable. So that is why it's got a warning on there. And that is about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Pokmon token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.